Okay, playing this round with friends. Morning, monks. Morning, brother. Good luck, and Alduin. Good morning, brother. And ang aking bagong caddy, si Banji, and videographer. Hello.
Wala si Wina.
Wala na, pinalitan na. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, so starting this round, hole number 3, playing 190 yards. Most likely hitting a 6 iron. Yun. That's good. Walang bola. Walang bola sa bunker. Ayun, short. Short pala. 60. Alduin's second shot. Around 30 yards to the flag. Bite. Okay, konting right to left. Medyo mabagal at basa. Okay, 15 years. Ha? Oo nga eh, akala ko patong eh.
Nice. Oh, bite.
Monks putting for par. Go!
Spot.
That was a good up and down. Currently even par. Hole number 4, 324 yards. Double left. Oh.
Ilang hila naman.
Nice shot.
With 85 yards to the flag, hitting a controlled 60-degree wedge. And bite.
Ito lang. Sakto lang. Nice shot. Wow!
Oh, eagle! Ay, nako. Nakachamba na naman tayo. Eagle. 4 points. Pumasok. Ay, nako. Thank you, Lord. Ayos. 2 under. What? Pumasok. Sumakto. Tet. Ha? Oo nga. Eagle na naman. 4 points ba yan? Yahoo! Another eagle. Nakasama na naman. 4 points. Thank you, Chamba. Nakachamba na naman. Uy, that's good. For 2 points. Good bogey. Okay, with that eagle, that's my pala. Same start pa rin pala. So currently 2 under. Tapos sa Olympics 4-0-0 because of that hole out. So hole number 5, playing 116 yards to the flag, hitting a 50-degree wedge. Ganda, kaliwa lang. Short.
Nice.
Hindi mo na. Kick right.
Agad ang berde natin yan.
Outside of the green, shipping left right to, no? Right to left. Mabilis lang ng konti. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa? Kalahating grip.
Kanan na sir ah. Tumali agad.
Monks is spotting for birdie and also Aldwin. 3, 2, 1. 3 ka, no? Oh, Monks for 3 points. Aldwin is for 2. I'm putting for 1. Birdie! Uy, di pa binigay. Good par, brother. I have this putt for par and 1 point. Si Aldwin is for 2 points. 2 points! Oh, nice birdie! Oh, nice bird, brother.
Okay.
Okay, Olympic recap. I am 5 points. Aldwin is 2 points because of that birdie. Tapos si Monks wala pa. So hole number 6, 343 yards, dog leg left. Stop for me. Okay lang. Go ahead. Ay, nag-turn din.
Nice shot.
Aldwin 130 to the flag. Ganda. Go. Go. Hangin sa taas.
Taas kasi.
Wow. Uy. Sayang. I'm left with 55 yards to the flag. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. I will try to experiment and nip. Bahala na si Banji. Kaliwa ba ito kanan? Jata. Bite.
Paitang.
Ay, natakot. Mouse for par. Uy. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan? Sa linya ng puti?
Apo.
Labas ko pa. Aloob pa lang nun. Kung 15, palong ilan?
Tudap ano na yan?
O, to the flag. 15 steps.
10.
Mabilis yung pababa.
Oo. Ay.
Oh, 3 ka pa pala. Nice spot. 3 points. So,
Sa tagal na
oh nga. Mahal pala yan. Oo, 3,000 pala yan. Okay, Aldwin for 1 point. And for par. Good par. Okay, Olympic recap. I am 6 points. Aldwin is 3 points. Si Monks is 3 points na din. So hole number 7. It is 327 yards. Dog leg right. Just laying up with a 5 iron. Uy, kumana ka. Four right, four right!
Full wedge ka lang. Yun ang tama.
Nice shot. Ay, kaso dumiretso. Hindi nag-fade. With 115 yards to the flag. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Kaliwa ng konti.
Ano mo? Short ka.
Okay, mong second shot. Go, go, go! Ay, ay, ay. I'm short, 18 yards to the flag. Ano to? Left to right? Left to right. Ba't mo pinamulaw? Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa mo?
Ito isang grip lang.
Anong grip?
Grip ka lang yan.
Kaninong grip?
Diyan, sa pamalo mo.
Mabilisan. May kabilisan.
Apo.
Pasok. May hina yata.
Malaki pa.
Aldwin for 3 points. Monks for 2. I am for 1 point. For 3 points. Monks for 2 points. Oof. Okay. Ang bigay mo rito? Pwedeng right edge?
Apo.
Hindi na sobra pag ano, kulang pag right center.
Kulang.
So parang hati-hati. With that, I'm still 2 under pala ako. 2 under. Tapos sa Olympics I am 7 points. Aldwin is 3. Monks is also 3 points. So 8 hole. Hole number 8. Playing 150 yards. Hitting a 9 iron. Ganda! Bigay mo na! Ulin man mo na! Saka na. Ganda! Good shot!
Kanan. Kanan lang.
Most left with around 8 yards to the flag. Ganda, Monks. Ganda yan. Kanan lang. Good shot. Monks. Okay, I'm for 3 points. Monks for 2. Aldwin for 1. Okay.
Tuloy mo! Ay, say!
That's a par. Monks for par also. For 2 points. For 2 points. Go! That's good, brother. Aldwin for birdie and for 1 point. Birdie! Dalawa na! Ay! Sayang. Pakimark. Good par, brother. Okay, hole number 9. That was... Oh, tira.
Huwag natin
Kanan
pag-usapan sa parang mamaya. Tingnan mo.
Kasi minsan sumasabog pag alam na alam mo na eh, di ba? Need to take my medicine. Punch out. Mga ilan yan? 80 bago sa tubig. 80 yards to the before the water. Course management, hitting a 7 iron. Hopefully para nasa fairway pa rin.
Let's go.
I'm left with 120 yards, hitting a 50-degree wedge. Hopefully to go up and down for a par and to stay to under pala tayo, no? Eagle tapos lahat par.
Par. Go.
Good job. I need to Chipinski if I want to stay 2 under. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa?
Labas sa guhit ng bilog.
Sa labas lang. Medyo may mabagal, ano, paakyat.
Tumali na agad.
Okay. Thank you. They gave it to me. 1 point. Okay. Aldwin for 3 points ka, no, Aldwin? 3. Oh, for 3 points. Monks for 2. For 3 points. Ay! Okay, practice na lang if you want. For 2 points. Mahina pa rin. That's good, that's good. Okay, just a recap. We're not yet done sa front 9 kasi meron pang hole number 1 and 2. But I am currently 1 under because of that bogey sa 9th hole. Tapos sa Olympic update, I am 8 points, 3 points si Monks and 3 points si Aldwin. So starting the second 9, hole number 10, par 3, it's playing 145 yards. Pero it's against the wind. So thinking if I should hit a 9-iron or pitching wedge. First time to be in this bunker. 25 yards to the flag. Left to right. Okay. Ay, mahina rin.
Yeah.
Olympics. Landed short. Right to left. Maliit na maliit lang. Papunas naman please. Kuya, paunong ng marker sa kanan. Kahit isang grip sa kanan. No? Tama yun, yung lalagbabagsakan natin, eh, di ba? Okay, Aldwin for 3 points. I'm in for bogey and 1 point. Monks for 2.
Yes, apo, sir.
Pasok. That's good. Monks for 2 points. Pasok. 2 points. Good putt. Good putt, brother. So, okay. With that bogey, I am 9 points. Monks is 5. Aldwin is at 3 points. Okay. Hole 11, currently even par na. It's 295 yards. Laying up lang with a 6-iron.
Four! Left! Naku, kumana na naman. Tumitingin ako. Uy!
Lah. What?
Par! terrible hole, terrible start. I am now playing 5, playing bogey. Lost the ball. Tapos, hindi ko tinamaan na maayos yung third shot. Now I'm in the bunker. So let's see what I'm made of. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin masalvage pa rin yung hole and yung round. Let's see. Landed in the bunker, 43 yards to the flag. Fitting 60-degree wedge. Kaliwa to, diba?
Apo.
Go!
Go! Ay!
Bogey. Pasok! Okay, no one to take my video. I'll just show it after. Ang bigay mo?
Kaliwa. Makakalating grip sa kaliwa.
Kinakating grip. Regular lang.
Apo.
Doon sa may putol nung ano.
Yes po. Apo. Okay.
1 point.
One.
Nice spot. Nice spot. From even par now, I'm 3 over. Okay, number 12. 100 place or 150 yards to the flag. Come on, bawi tayo, Luigi. Yan lang. Bigay mo na. Ay, kick right. Kick right. Nice shot, brother. Yun. O, diretso na. Diretso na. Okay. 4 par.
Mahina.
Bigay mo, Vanji. 10 paces. Diretso na. Regular na G's. Wala nang dagdag bawas. Okay. I am for 3 points. Aldwin is for 2. Monks is 1.
Ano sa'yo? Lakas na. Left inside. Hina.
Okay, hole 13, Olympic recap because of that 3-putt. I am now down to 8 points. Ganda. Gitnang gitna. Good shot. Uy. Parang may konting kabig eh. Favor.
Yun, lumit na.
Hindi tumama sa mga kadi.
Go.
Third shot, playing 125 yards. Hitting a choke down pitching wedge.
Ganda. Ganda. Baba mo.
Konti.
Ay.
At least a birdie chance. Aldwin. Around 90 yards. Ganda! Galing! Pinalusot sa puno ah! Wow! Nice shot! Birdie ulit! Nice shot, brother! Okay, for birdie. And, okay, for 2 points. For 2 points, para mabawasan naman. Monks is there for 3. I am 2. Aldwin is also for birdie for 1 point. Isang grip sa kanan, mabilis. Kung 6 na tapak, mga 4 lang.
Uy, sipat.
Nice hole number 14, 510 yards, par 5. Yung grip ko din, dun sa flat cut. Nung nakaganon, mas exaggerate yung pag na-open mo. Yun, pang longest drive nga.
Grabe.
Carry. Yun, no?
Yun.
Doon din. Sumunod.
Second shot, just laying up dyan sa water tank. Hitting a 7 iron.
Kaliwa mo.
Monks going for it. Sumama. Yung mga sayang. Can't hit over the tree, so I'm just hitting under using a pitching wedge to try to land on the green. Okay.
Tama na. Wag!
Tayo din. Ganda naman yan, Monks. Ay, sama lang ng sipa. Sa pool! Sama. Both Monks and I are still outside for 4 points. Si Aldrin nasa ano na, green na. Pasok! Okay.
Ay, kumagat.
Okay, for 3 points. Take it. Sino mas malayo sa atin, Monks? So 2 points pa ako. Okay, for 2 points. Pag ganun yung damo, napakaliwa, pero yung break para ito. Gitna na?
Gitna.
Diretso na?
Apa.
Okay, for par. Nice part.
Nice.
Balik sa east. Okay, hole number 15. Oh, malas, naubos na yung swerte. 7 over na.
Dalawang hole out.
So,
Magkasunod.
Olympics.
Olympics.
Olympic update. Si Aldwin is 3 points. Monks is 6. Ako 7. So, I'm still leading by 1 point. Sakto gitnang gitna. Perfect. Yun. Wow, gitnang gitna lahat ah. Hindi kailangan ng driver.
Nice shot.
Nice. Hindi ako FOMO. Masyado. Kanan lang.
Thank you, brother. Okay. Monks going for it. 220 yards. Ganda.
Nice one.
Hinangin lang. Safe.
Tingnan mo ah.
Aldwin also going for it with his 3 wood. 220 yards. Hindi hybrid pala. Ganda rin. Kanan lang. Before the bunker. Safe?
Before.
Oh. I will try to go for it. 200 yards to the flag. Hitting a 4 iron.
Nice shot!
Maganda yata yun.
No!
Aldwin with around 45 yards to the flag. Ganda yata yan. Ganda ng sipa. Good shot, brother. Monks also for eagle. Maganda yata. Maganda! Eagle! Eagle! Oh! Good shot, brother. Ganda nun ah. Good shot, bro. I am putting for eagle. Uphill. Mabagal. Saan bigay mo? Sa linya?
Linya sa dulo.
Mismong linya sa kaliwa?
Oo.
15. Okay, never short. Eagle! Ay!
Pwede yan. Just firm lang.
Nice spot. Good bird. Just an update for Olympics. Mongs and I are now tied at 7 points. Si Aldrin 3. So hole 16, par 3. I am currently 6 over because of that birdie. Playing 110 to 115 to. So hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Ay, kaliwa.
Kali.
Ganda.
Thing for birdie, 3 points. Tapos si Aldwin is 2. Mongs is also for 1 point naman for par. Kaming dalawa ni Aldwin is for birdie. Malaki sa kaliwa, no? Doon ulit sa may dating butas.
Yes pa.
Kaliwa pa nun. Kung 13, tirang
15 mo.
15-14 ano?
Ay, lakas pa rin.
Lamig. Nice par. Nice.
Wala nga! Ano?
Yun din!
Tripat din!
Monks is now leading 8 points. Tapos si Aldwin
2 na lang.
2. Kasi sabi mo gusto movement yun tuloy. ako 6 points. So 6-8-2 kami ngayon sa Olympics. Ay nako, nabogi ko pa yun. Sama ng putting. Okay, I was not confident with that putt. So hole 17, I guess this is playing 180 yards. Hitting a 7 iron. Sakit naman, 3 na 3 putt ko. I'm now back to 7 over. Ganda, draw. Ah, fade. De, patong. Kaliwa pala. Parang against sa taas. Sige, 7.
Ay, naku. Balik.
Tumuloy.
That's where my ball went. At least ako nakali ko. So, taking a drop. 15 yards to the flag.
Lakas. Bye.
Tama na.
Nangat kagat.
Mongs putting for 3 points. Putting par ka ba, Mongs? Bogey din. 3 putting par. And for 3 points. Ako for 2 points and for bogey. Si Aldwin is for 1 point. Okay, this is for par. Right to left. 6 paces. Mabilis side hill. Malaking right to hill. Pag ganun yung damo eh. Doon sa may dumi. Mahina. Okay na yan.
Mali na agad.
Mahina. Laylay. That's good. Quick update. The leader, Mr. Manzano, currently at 8 points. Ako I'm in 6. Si Aldwin is at 2. Gusto pa ng movement ulit, Alvin, o okay na sa movement na better movement naman. Yung paakyat naman. Grabe, double bogey ako doon. 9 over na ako. So hole 18, 380 yards. Laying up with a pitching wedge.
Mawala siya yun kasi sa iba yan.
230 yards to the flag. Hitting a hybrid. Okay, the bad luck keeps piling. 21 yards. No green to work with. Tas bunker in front. Paano? Tapos pa downhill pa yung green. So I'm not sure how to stop this golf ball. But bahala na si Banji.
Sa kaliwa, ano?
Apa.
Nakikita mo yung dumi dun sa kaliwa. Kaliwa pa nun ng konti yung aim, di ba? Tirang 15. Ganda na yun.
For par. For 3 points. Right to left. Happy na ako dun sa tirang yun. So ako 3, si Aldwin is 2, Monks is 1. 8 paces. Pwedeng sa linya ng puti, ano?
Yung parang ano na?
Yung linya mismo nung bilog. O kulang yun. Pwedeng yun na, no? Tapos tirang 8 din.
Shoy! Ay, basta!
Kala ko ba? Sayang. Bilis, no?
3 points sa ano? Good par.
1 point tayo nito eh.
Oo, 9.1 point. Nice spot, brother. 9.72.
Kung kanina kaliwa,
Tama ba? Ay, hindi, 6. 9.62. 3 ka na. 3 points up ka na. Naku, na -1 na naman. Okay, good. Nas,
1 point na lang ako,
si,
pare.
si Kuya Kaloy ang anuhin mo. Yan. Iningkanto ka ni Kuya Kaloy.
Para ako
Nanuno.
nanuno ako ni Kuya.
Ako din eh. Medyo nawala na yung sa akin ng konti. 471 yards. Dapat nag-go for it ka na rin.
Yung grupo dyan. Back 9 kayo, kasi back 9. Walang piligan.
Nice shot.
Okay, 200. Naku, nakabig.
Nahila ko na naman.
Hindi, yung lie mo rin talaga bro, pa left eh. Ball above your feet eh. Tawid ulit ang water pero not so much. Butin lang tumalbog and went safe. So it's 200 yards to the flag. I will try to go for it with a 4-iron.
Ay, kanan.
Kanan.
Ganda ng tama.
Ang ganda ng ganda ng tama pero went to the right of the green. So 30 yards to the flag. Medyo mabilis to eh, di ba? O hindi naman?
Hindi.
Left to right? 60 degrees. I will try to nip it.
Nice.
Aldwin for 3 points. Ako for 2. Si Monks, pinagbigyan na kami. Siya ang 1 point. Putting uphill. Aldwin ako, putting bird. Par.
Ano na to? Par lang to.
Par.
Pating par.
Mahina. Lumaylay. Isang butas sa kaliwa. Nakarecord.
Nice putt.
2 points, birdie. Wow. 9-8-1. Tama ba? Nakuha din 1 point din. Oh!
Hole number 2, Olympic update pala. So hole number 1, 9 points si Mongs. I am 8. Si Aldwin, wag na natin muna i-share.
Number 1.
Okay, hole number 2, 447 yards. Dog leg left. With that birdie, I'm still at on par to break 80 just in case. I need to par hole this hole if ever. Sana. Uy, nag-stop. For right!
Four. Uy! Pupunta sa kaliwa. Four. Naku, nag-turn din.
Sayang, my ball faded to the right. So I need to take my medicine, punch out 80 yards.
Go.
Sabi ko na hindi lilipad kaya
I'm in between clubs. 144 yards. Slightly with the wind. Might hit na lang din a 9 iron na lang din. Parang hindi naman persado.
Naku, chunky.
Kanan. Carry. Over. Ay! Bunker. Landed pin high sana, but I pulled my 9 iron. 17 yards to the flag. Mabilis. So, doon ang pabagsak. Mas mabilis. Kailangan pabaitin.
Kulang naman sa kaliwa.
Okay, for 3 points. Malyari, 3 points. Gregorio for 2. Manzano for 1. Okay, this is for 80. Score na 80. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa? Sabagay, sa best spin. Paakyat, ano mabagal?
Ano pa?
For the win! Sayang! Bawas ano lang ito. For the win na eh.
Yun na, dapat nilaglag na lang eh. Nilabas pa.
Yun, nakuha! Ayaw din! Kuya Kaloy! Ang galing mo yung sumpa! Lawayan mo kami mamaya. Pareho tayong gumawa na. Tapos tingnan mo to, shoot to. Tapos shoot mo sa kanya. Oo, pwede.
Pag na-shot yan,
Pag na-shoot, lamang panalo si Mongs ng 2 points sa akin. Aba, may sumpa rin.
Good round, brother. Good round, Mongs. So, panalo ka pa sa akin ng 9-8-1. Nice meeting you, brother. Laro tayo ulit soon, Saturday. Okay. Tama, no? 9-8-1. So, talo ako ng 10 piso. Kung magkano man, 20 ba? 10? That was a good round. I mean, good round in terms of the company. So, in terms of score, sakto nanalo lang pala ako ng ano. Okay, sa stroke play, I won. Kalaban si Mongs. I gave him +1 sa front and back. Then, sa Olympics, ang overall winner natin is si Mongs. He scored 9 points. Ako 8. Tapos si Aldwin is 1 point. Okay. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next round. Thank you, Banji! Nagulat.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.